Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Now in today's lecture we are going to consider about the energy transfer or energy consideration in the EMI. Okay, how the energy is transferred from one form to another form and what is its expression. Okay, so for that consider this diagram. In this diagram a rectangular conducting coil or loop it is given. In that the side PQ it is movable. कंडक्टरचा PQ साइड हा movable आहे. Now it is moving towards the inside of that loop with velocity v. PQ is moving with velocity v towards SR. The length of the side SR it is L, or moving side having length L. The distance during the motion between the moving side PQ and the stable side SR it is represented as x. That can be changed because PQ is movable. And due to this EMF is developed and current will start to flow. So the direction of the current is shown in this loop as from P to S to R to Q. Now this total system it is substituted into a magnetic field. And as usual the magnetic field it is perpendicular to plane of the paper as shown here with the help of cross. That means magnetic field direction it is from outside to inside the plane ला perpendicular आहे, paper ला perpendicular आहे. So paper पासून हे inside to outside to inside magnetic field ची direction आहे. Okay, so let's start with the derivation. Now let this coil has resistance R. PQ हा मूवेबल आहे तरी पण ह्याचा रेजिस्टन्स चेंज होणार नाही. आपण हे कन्सिडर करू द टोटल सिस्टम हॅव्हिंग रेजिस्टन्स R. Okay, now the current in this loop can be given as, since EMF is induced, so current, EMF and resistance they are related. By Ohm's law we can say I is equals to E divided by R. एप्सिलॉन यूज केलेला इथं EMF साठी स्मॉल e पण यूज करू शकता. I is equals to E is divided by R, and we know that what is EMF due to this motion of the rod, conducting rod. हे ट्रान्सलेशन मोशनचं एक्झाम्पल झालं. याच्यामध्ये PQ एक रॉड आहे विच इज मुव्हिंग ट्रान्सलेशनरी इन द मॅग्नेटिक फील्ड. सो वी नो दॅट फॉर दॅट व्हॉट इज द EMF प्रोड्युस्ड BL into V. So इथं I is equals to E divided by R means we can write it as BLV divided by R. Okay, this is current. Now the force exerted on the arm PQ due to magnetic field is, PQ जे arm है that is movable arm. On that arm what is the force exerted due to magnetic field? Magnetic field will also exert a force on moving side, that is PQ. That force it is given by F is equals to ILB. I current through the coil, L length of the side on which the force is acting, B magnetic field. Actually the formula we know that it is ILB sin theta. पण इथं हे परपेंडिक्युलर असल्यामुळे sin 91 होतं. So force is only ILB. Now we know that what is the formula for I, just derived केले आपण हे BLV divided by R. So इथं फोर्स मध्ये आपण तो सबस्टिट्यूट करायचा, that is ILB, that means B square L square V divided by R. This is mechanical force acting on the PQ. Now due to this force we have to apply a power that is required to push the PQ with a constant speed V. We have to push that PQ continuously with a constant velocity V, and for that we require power. Okay, so force is calculated here. From that force we can calculate the power. The power for moving body it is given to be force into velocity of the object. So here power it is calculated as P is equals to F into V. F अपन just calculate केलेला है, so substitute that value of F. So what is ultimate power? Power is equals to B square L square V square divided by R. This is mechanical power acting on the side PQ. Okay, keep it as it is. Now we know that whenever mechanical work is or mechanical power is used, that PQ is moving inside. PQ च्या motion मुळे EMF develop होतो, that means current will start to flow, means this mechanical energy is converted into the electrical energy. Now due to electrical energy, due to motion of the current or electrons, there is production of heat energy. So mechanical energy converted into electrical energy and electrical energy converted into heat energy. Okay, let's discuss with the help of equation. Now find the heat energy which is developed here due to current. Rate of production of heat energy, it can be given from the current. It is P is equals to, the formula for power due to current, it is P is equals to I square into R. इथे आपण हीट एनर्जी काढतो म्हणून थोडेसे नोटेशन्स चेंज केलेले आहेत. I represents here current and R रेजिस्टन्स. तेच आहे स्मॉल आर आणि आय यूज केलेलं आहे, इथं स्मॉल आय आणि कॅपिटल आर यूज केलेलं आहे. सो पॉवर ड्यू टू करंट इट इज आय स्क्वेअर इंटू आर. नाव वी नो दॅट व्हॉट इज आय. आपण ते अगोदरच्या इक्वेशनमध्ये करंट इन द कॉईल काढलेलं आहे. आय इज इक्वल्स टू बी एल व्ही डिवायडेड बाय आर. सो आय स्क्वेअर बी एल व्ही डिवायडेड बाय आर ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर इंटू पॉवरचा आर, दॅट इज इंटू आर. When we solve this bracket, b square l square v square divided by r square into r. So 1 r get cancelled. So here we get the power as b square l square v square divided by r only. This is heat energy. So power during the heat and the previous power due to the mechanical force, both are equal. That means by equation we can say that mechanical energy is converted first into the electrical energy, hence EMF is developed, current is flowing, and due to that current heat is produced, hence here the heat energy, finally the mechanical energy converted into the heat energy. So this is the energy consideration in a electromagnetic induction. Okay, so how the energy is transferred from one form to other. Hope you understand this concept. If you have any doubt, comment here, like our videos and subscribe.